How does the earth move? How does the earth spin?
Can spin like a top.
While it spins, where does the earth move?
It also moves around the sun.
What is our ride on earth like?
Our ride on Earth is like a ride in a smooth elevator.
When do we know an elevator is moving?
When it slows down or speeds up.
Does the earth always travel at the same speed?
Earth's always travels smoothly and the same speed.
Page 8. Do insects have blood?
Yes, and
What color is most insect blood?
most insect blood is green or yellow.
How long is an insect's heart? How long is an insect's heart?
Is as long as the insect's body.
Do the insect's muscles and body parts receive blood directly?
The insect's muscles and other body parts receive blood directly.
Page 10. What happens to most insects at the end of the summer?
Most insects die summers.
When do their eggs hatch?
Many eggs hatch in the spring.
Do some insects sleep all winter long?
Some insects sleep all winter long like bears.
What insects come out on sunny winter days?
Come out of the cricket and do this, but ants come out on sunny winter days.
Page 12. Where do honeybees spend the winter?
They add the honey they collect during the summer.
어디에서? Where do honeybees spend the winter?
Spend the winter in their beehives.
Beehives? What do they eat?
They eat the honey they collect during the summer.
Do some insects spend the winter in cocoons?
Some insects spend the winter in their cocoons.
Why are monarch butterflies like birds?
They fly south to warm places for the winter.
Okay, page 14. Where does the salt in the ocean come from?
Comes from the land.
What is in the dissolved rocks?
Water on the Earth's surface and dissolves rocks.
How does the salt get into the ocean?
The sun flow into the water of the oceans.
이거 어떻게 salt가 get into the ocean 과정을 지금 말하는 거야. 어떻게? 먼저 비가 내려서
Rain fell on the land, it washed more salt from the land, and the will carry the salt into the oceans.
When water evaporates from the sea, what is left behind?
Water evaporates from the sea. And leaves the salt behind.
Okay, salt is left behind. 뭐가 남는다고?
So,
Okay. Page 16. Do fish ever sleep?
but fish do not.
Do fish ever sleep?
Yes,
Yes, they do. Do fish have eyelids?
fish do not have eyelids.
Can a fish close its eyes?
They cannot close their eyes.
How long do fish sleep?
They are wide awake.
How long, 얼마나? How long do fish sleep?
Fish do sleep. Some fish do them when they are asleep.
그러니까 어떤다고?
Fish do not usually sleep long.
Okay. What can wake up a fish? What can wake up a fish?
Any sound or movement can wake up it.
Page 18. What is a blind spot?
Actually, everyone obviously has a blind spot.
Blind spot이 뭐냐고? What is a blind spot?
Blind spot is a very small area of the eye.
오케이, 무슨 뜻이야?
눈에 아주 작은 것.
Where is the blind spot?
It is in the back of the eye.
Why cannot the blind spot get?
You cannot receive light.
Why don't we see the blind spot?
Our brain housing complete the picture.
그리고
If you see this blind spot.
right.